Hello fam, welcome back and I hope you are doing well. Today I share with you how to make perfect fried fish with hake fish. I would also share with you the step-by-step way to clean hake fish before cooking. I'll start by putting my frozen fish in water and then I'll allow the fish to defrost properly. When the fish is soft enough, then it's time for cleaning. Cleaning hake fish is very peculiar because hake fish is different from some other fishes like mackerel or horse mackerel fish. The difference in hake fish is because hake fish has scales on them. So to clean hake fish, the scales must be removed. I have tried cooking hake fish with the scales and I can tell you that it doesn't taste nice. So I start cleaning the fish by getting a small knife and then I'll scrape off the scales from the fish. As long as the fish is soft, cleaning the scales is very easy. The scales would come off easily without much effort, just as can be seen in the video. Then I'll proceed to cut off the sides that look very sharp because I don't want that to be in my food. After I do this, I'll ensure that I scrape both sides of the fish just to ensure that the fish is clean and then I'll put it in a basket. I'll apply this same method to all the fish that I'll be cooking with. As I continue, one thing I like to say is this. Hake fish is very delicious. It tastes nice. As long as you know how to clean and cook it properly, you would always enjoy it. And that is why I'm making this video, to share with you how to make perfect fried fish with hake fish. Also, you can like this video. You can also subscribe to this channel and to be notified every single time I post new videos because I post new videos weekly. I'll suggest that you click on that bell button so that every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. And this is how to simply clean hake fish. One other thing that I need to say is this. The scales on the fish are directional. So when you scrape towards one direction and you notice that you cannot scrape any scale off, you turn the fish to the other direction and you scrape, and surely the scales will fall off. Now that I'm done with the first cleaning, as you can see all the scales I removed from the fish. I'm not done with cleaning yet. I'll clean my sink briefly and then I'll put the cleaned fish back into the sink with a lot of water. I like to do a second cleaning or a follow-up cleaning just to ensure that all the scales are properly removed in case I missed any. And as I clean, you would see that I actually missed just a little portion or a little part of the fish. But yes, I was able to get that scale out because I did a second cleaning. And this is the reason why I like to clean my fish twice. Now, after cleaning the fish, the next thing I would do would be to season the fish. And to season this hake fish, I'll be using just salt. I'll add about half teaspoon salt on the fish and then I'll give it a nice toss. I'll toss the fish up and down to make sure that the salt properly coats the fish and I'll set it aside. Now it's time to fry. I'll pour my cooking oil into my frying pan and while I wait for the oil to get hot, my fish is ready to be fried. I'll proceed to put the fish in the hot oil. One thing I would say is this. Whenever I'm frying fish, I like to make sure that the oil is not too hot to avoid any hot oil splashes in the kitchen. I'll arrange my fish in the frying pan and I'll let the fish fry. Another uniqueness of hake fish is hake fish takes quite a longer time to be properly fried. So for hake fish, I'll simply leave it in the frying pan and allow it to fry on high heat till I see those brown areas on the fish, as you can see in the video. You see, when it starts to get brown like that, that is my cue to turn the fish. Now that I've turned this fish too, you can see how nice it's looking. A lovely shade of golden brown. Now I'll turn all the fish and then I'll allow it to continue to fry. The other side is going to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then here is the thing. When frying hake fish, As long as the first side has been properly fried, it won't take long at all to get the other side to be well fried. So at intervals, I'll be turning the fish to check if it's a lovely shade of golden brown. And yes, my fried fish is ready to be enjoyed. This is the perfect way to fry hake fish. I can eat this hake fish with my jollof rice, fried rice, with any food of my choice, and it will turn out very nice. It tastes amazing. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things about this video. And I hope you try this at home. And when you do try it, yes, I would like to read your feedback on how well it turned out.